Divas! I'm here with an unboxing. You may have seen this one unboxed. It's available now, I believe, on the Diamond Art Club website. And you may have seen this unboxing on someone else's channel before. But I want to unbox it for you too. I mean, this is such a beautiful canvas, and I think it's, I don't know, it resembles me in so many ways. And so, on Wanda's Workbasket today, we are going to do an unwrapping of a new Diamond Art Club. As you know, if you see the pink band and the pink circle on the front, that it is round diamonds. I get a lot of squares, but you know what? I get the kits that I love. Round or square, I'll do either one. And I get the kits that I love. Now, first of all, you get the kit, and since it's round, it has no tweezers in. But this is your normal kit, your clear boat, a whole bunch of baggies, a blue pen, a blue squishy, and 2 heart wax. Okay, so that's the kit. They give you an extra sticker, and I like to put it on the bottom of the box as my identifier, so that when I look at my stack, then I know exactly which one I am pulling out. And I'm not going to show you yet who it is. Let's see. Alright, so I put the sticker on the bottom of the box. Now, here we go. Here we go. I saved the plastic bag too. Now I'm going to roll it the opposite way so we can get the drills out. Right. You can do this with poured glue. You cannot do this with double-sided tape. And you know, all Diamond Art Clubs are poured glue. Okay. If this is your first Diamond Art Club viewing, and you're considering purchasing one for the first time, I have a 15% off discount down below. Right now, if you go on their site, they have 25% off of certain Black Friday kits. But in every kit you get a blue how-to diamond paint. You get a thank you. You get a 10% off of your next purchase in there, and tips on the back. So you always get that. I'll show you that sticker in a minute. You have a pack of drills, and on the drills there's a sticker that says the kit number. It will also say on each drill pack the color number, the DMC color number that it is. So, let me unroll it for you a little at a time. You'll notice that on the edge of the canvas it's pinked and poked, which means it has a decal edge, a wavy cut edge. It's just another word for wavy cut edge. So it used to have a pinking shears when you used to cut it. It had teeth. It looked like it had teeth. So when you cut it along there, it looked like it had like triangles at the top. What I mean by poked is that you can see on the... Oh, okay. This one doesn't have the poking on it. Some of them had the little holes right near it. It looked like a sewing machine had gone through but didn't put the thread in. So it's a pinked edge, and that's done so it doesn't fray. The canvas itself has a little sparkle to it. It's got a softer back. It's a softer canvas. Ooh, look at those colors already. Maybe you can tell what it is already. And the feather coming up here. Girl with glasses. And she's got a journal in her hand. Alright, so Let me move you out so you can see most of it as I give you the details. I believe you can probably see her now. I'm trying to use natural light so that it doesn't glare as much. Okay. This is Dear Diary. And it is a 56 by 71. That is a typical size. She was created by Christina Caron. Karron. Caron. Christina Caron. Now, some of you know that I love journaling, and I've kept a journal since I was in 2nd grade. I'm almost 60 years old next month, so that, and I have all my journals that I've ever written in. So this meant a lot to me. The Journal Girl. Dear Diary, it's called. And I want to show you that with each kit you get a sticker, a really big sticker that you can put in your notebook or wherever you keep track of your work, or if you don't want to, that's fine too. But this gives you a big, beautiful picture to use. It tells you the designer's name and how big it is in inches and in centimeters. And at the top, it has the name of the kit, plus you can put in start date and end date. And each of these little things are to help you kit up. They are individually sliced little tags that you can use when you kit up. It has the item number, the symbol you will see on the canvas for it, and the DMC color number in case you save your drills, which I do. Now any number under 150 is an AB, an Aurora Borealis drill, which means it shines in a special way. It has a coating on it that reflects lots of different colors. So there's 1, 2, 3 that are smaller than 150. So we're going to take a look at that as we go through the drills. Now they do make their own drills. They have a factory that makes drills just for them, so they can control the quality of the drills. They're resin drills. They are cut so that they shine so brightly. And I want to find our ABs in here. Yeah, I know. It's like I never get them back in the package the way they were. So I don't try anymore. But I want to show you how beautiful the colors are. I love seeing the colors. That's what I love most about diamond painting, is playing with the color. Seeing color combinations that I don't think would work that actually do work together. And just color makes me happy. Maybe you're the same way. Maybe color makes you happy as well. There's one. Our first AB is 125. I'm not sure if you can tell in this light, but it sparkles more than its next door neighbor. It has a shine on it. I'm trying to see if it'll shine in the light. That's one. That's like an off-white. Here's a different one that's AB. It's a white AB, and it's 141. And blues here. The green and another blue. Let's see. These are the smallest ones. Yep. I see a little bit of trash in that one. That happens. No big deal. The colors are just beautiful. Now it's a neutral palette. It's not, oh, there's the other one, number 101, a blue Aurora Borealis. Yeah. It's a neutral palette. It doesn't have super bright colors. It does have some brights in moderation. And that I don't mind at all. It's got some fall coloring to it. There we go. So those are the drills. Now we're going to see where the 1, 2, 3s are on the canvas. If you don't mind a little bit of crinkling here. Let me get them wound back up. That's what takes the longest, winding these things back up, you know. Yes, I have every journal that I've ever written in from 2nd grade on. Now, in 2nd grade, all I wrote was, I hate my brother today. I don't hate my brother anymore, trust me. So it wasn't very, you know, it wasn't intriguing stuff for sure. And really, as I got older, I didn't write too many intriguing things anyway. But, at least not to me. Right. I like to put the sticker thing in the bottom of the drill package so that I can see through it to see the sticker and know that these drills belong to this canvas. I'll show you something here. There we go. Not terrible. Not fantastic, but not terrible here. There we go. Sorry about the traffic. It's Thanksgiving Day. I wouldn't have thought there would be much traffic out there right now. Alright, on the bottom of the canvas, you also have a thumbnail. You have the number of and name of the kit. You have the licensed artist here, and you have the sizes on the bottom. On each side, on the bottom left and the top right, you have a legend. Here you go, a legend of the symbols. And I gotta tell you, I don't use that. I'd almost rather a plain white band, a large white band around it. I like this part, knowing the designer and the name of it, but I'd almost like to do without the symbols on the side of the canvas. I don't use them. Alright, now we're looking for the 1, 2, or 3. Oh, there's some 3 in the outside edges. And that is one of the Aurora Borealis trees. That's probably the blue one. I'm looking for the numbers 1 and 2. There's some more 3s in here, in the pages of the book. Alright, maybe they're up here farther. Now it would be white or off-white, so let's come up here. Are they in the feather? There's some 3s in the feather. Very nice. And I see lots of other numbers, but not the 1, 2. Not the 1 and the 2. Lots of 3s. Okay, there's 2s in the background. That must be the blue. The 3s are like that off-white. Number 1 is like a white, so I would think I would see that maybe in the face or the hair. Huh. Maybe I should look before I tell you where things are, huh? Well, we know they're in the background. We know they're in the feather. Oh, okay. They're in the sleeves of her dress or shirt. They're in her garment. So we have some in her garment, the ones in her garment, the twos in the feather, the threes in the background. That's pretty. I am eager to do her. She's very pretty. I hope your holiday weekend has gone beautifully. And let me know which of the kits that you like from Diamond Art Club that you are going to be purchasing from the Black Friday event, or that you have purchased from the Black Friday event. I'd be curious to know. Leave your responses down in the box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're so inclined, I have a buy me a teapot, buy me a coffee link down below if you are so inclined. We're almost there to 1,000 subscribers. When we get there, I'll be able to give away my first box. Down below in the comments, please click on the member questionnaire. If you are subscribed to this channel, you are eligible to fill out the questionnaire so that I know if you win for that month, for the monthly giveaways, I know who to send it to. I know where to send it. So I appreciate those questionnaires. Okay. Anything else? I'll let you go for now. Hope to see you soon. Bye, Divas.